Hey guys, this is Canon Pixma TS7750i. I'm going to show you how to print document from your computer to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and the computer are connected to the same network or are connected using Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi network, or with USB cable. What I want to do now is to show you how to print document, and this laptop and this printer are connected via wireless network. So you need to go to your file. So select file. When you select file, it gives you option for you to select the document that you want to print out. So the document I want to print out, double click on the document to open. So this is the document I want to print out, 4 pages document. To print this document out, you select printer icon on top, or you select Ctrl P. If you select printer icon, then you scroll down and select the correct printer from the list. Scroll down and select Canon TS7750 series. Then you select how many copies, layout, portrait. We want to print all pages, colored, print on both sides, long edge. Then you select more option. If you select more option, you select paper size, scaling. The actual size is 100%. This is the actual size. Then you select print. Now this document is printing. This is the first one, printed, double-sided, colored. This is the second one, printed, double-sided, colored. Another way to print your document from computer to this printer is for you to go to print app. This printer and computer are connected together, and the printer is showing us here. This is Canon print app. To print your document, so you can print document, you can print photo, you can scan. To print your document, you need to select print. Select print. It gives you an option for you to go and look for where you save the document you want to print. So the document you want to print is in download. Then you select on it. Then you scroll down and select the document, or you type the date the document was scanned. So I'm going to type the date. So once you type the date, the document will show on your screen on the laptop for you to select on it. So select on it, then you select open, open. Now the document, this is the document, 4 pages document. You can see 1 to 4. Select. This is the second page. This is the third page. And this is the fourth page. Now to print this document out, you select the paper size from the top. So you select the paper size, scroll down. What we have here is A4 paper. Orientation is portrait. Pages, we are printing all pages. Quality, you can scroll down to select high quality, standard, or leave it in auto. Layout, 1 of 1. Printing, we are printing double-sided, long edge, and we want to print this black and white instead of color. So you select grayscale. So it's changing the document to grayscale. Here we go. Now, paper source. You can select the rear or casket or leave it in auto. If you leave it in auto, the printer will pick the document from whichever casket or rear paper tray. So we want to leave it in auto. Then you select how many copies, 1, then select print. So this is the document we printed out, double-sided, black and white. Printed this out, double-sided, 2 pages. Printed earlier, colored. Thank you.